Welcome to the channel. If you're using the Opera browser and want to keep your privacy in check, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to automatically remove permissions from websites you haven't visited in a while. It's a quick and easy way to stay safe online. First, open the Opera browser. Click on the Opera logo at the top left corner of the window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. Now, scroll further until you see the section labeled Site Settings. Click on it to view detailed permission settings for websites. Scroll down again until you find the option that says Automatically remove permissions from unused sites. Click the switch next to it to turn it on. Once enabled, Opera will automatically remove any granted permissions, like access to your location, camera, or microphone, from sites you haven't used recently. This feature is useful if you've visited websites in the past and no longer use them but forgot to revoke their access. That's it. By enabling this simple feature, you improve your browser's privacy without any extra effort. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay safe online.